Good day everyone. For today, we're going to tackle about Chapter 3, Human Engineering. Here are the learning objectives of human engineering. First, define what is human engineering. Describe the relationship of human engineering in management. Identify the objectives and effectives of ergonomics. Discuss the importance of ergonomics. First, human engineering. Human factor engineering, also called ergonomics or human engineering, is the essence that deals with application of physical and psychological characteristics, knowledge to design a human devices and system. Or human engineering is the study of mental and physical capacities of human beings in relation of demands made upon them by their jobs and by equipments. The human engineers apply scientific knowledge and research methodology to study the human areas, the management of the industrial labor, especially with regard to the relationship between people and machines, and there is a goal of human engineering is to design for safe and comfortable and effective human use. Why human engineering is important? Because human engineering important because it helps make up the work more efficient and effective and mostly safe. Next is what human engineering in management. Human engineering focuses on human beings and their relationship with workplace, goods, equipment, and environments. Human engineering tries to improve the things people use and the atmosphere in which they are used things to better match people's skills, constraints, and needs. So human engineering in management also, in the other terms, also it focuses on human being and their interaction with products, equipment, facilities, and environment in the workplace or in the work. The effects of an ergonomic programs. The aims of ergonomics program are to protect the guard against liability for workers and properties. Here are the direct benefits of an ergonomic programs. First is to reduce occupational illness and injury. It is important. This benefit is important because less hassle and it will help the program. Next is reduce number of lost work days. So it would be it will help also to reduce number of work days and also reduce number of workers compensation claims. So what do you mean by compensation claims? Compensation claims demand by an employee who was injured, disabled, or suffering from illness in connection with work. So it will reduce the demand by the employee who was injured during work or in connection with the work. Next is the reduce premium payments for workers' compensation insurance. Compensation insurance means that to provide coverage for medical expenses, lost wages, and more in event of an on-the-job injury or death. Next is reduce number of complaints or discomfort. Complaints, or we can reduce number of complaints of discomfort, or we can reduce the pain or dissatisfaction of an employee. Reduce instance of eye strain. Eye strain means that being exposed to light or glare or straining to see in very dim light, or having an eye problem such as dry eyes or uncorrected vision. So we can reduce uh, eye strain. Last is reduce incident of localized pain. Example of unlocalized pain is or sprain and sprain and broken bones rather. The the next is reported by July.
The direct benefits of ergonomics program have two effects. The first one, effects of productivity. It's include project are completed, clients' deadlines do not lapse, clients' relations stay positive, workers are more productive. These are the four important effects on productivity. And the last one, effects on cost. The cost creating a space of work does not grow because the previous worker does not need to be replaced, a new one qualified. So this is very important of work, and it is very hard to them to replace the previous worker. And insurance costs do not up. Regulatory liability is reduced, and that's include of effects and costs. And we proceed to another topic. Objectives of women's engineering. Women engineering ergonomics has two broader objectives. The first one, improve efficacy and quality of the task. Work carried out in order to increase the comfort of usage, minimize errors, and increase productivity. This is the objectives of the ergonomics and woman engineering, and this is very important to increase your productivity and minimize your errors. The last one, to strengthen those beneficial woman qualities, including decreased stress, exhaustion, and different of safety, and increased quality of life. So this is the two objectives and border of women engineering. Importance of ergonomics in the product creation process. And ergonomics is important part of research. It is to enhance the protection, comfort, and productivity of a part of environments such as an office, to decide the correct size, form, and shape of a product to make it easier for people to use. Ergonomics uses anthropometric data, so it is important to decide the correct size to make your office workplace comfortable. During the design process, ergonomics will help you to define which user features you should take into account. This is critical when you consider how much people differ in terms of body size, body space, strength, mobility, sensory sensitivity, mental ability, experience, training, and culture and emotion. In the workplace, ergonomics seek to build healthy, comfortable, and efficient workspace by integrating women capabilities and disabilities into the dealing of workspace, including the body size, power, ability, speed, sensory skills, vision, hearing, and event attitude of the person. In the greater population, this include equipment, service, and structures are designed to meet the rising needs of elderly population, including public transit, building facilities, and living space. And this is very understandable. I will not explain this to you. And all, thank you.
Duties and responsibilities of maintenance department.
What are the duties and responsibilities of a maintenance worker? Maintenance worker fix and maintain mechanical equipment. They also care for flooring repairs and upkeep on buildings' roofs while ensuring that the electricity continues to function as it should be. There are types of maintenance. Hotel maintenance department, how to optimize it, maintenance contacts, form of general contact, importance of hotel maintenance. Hotel maintenance department, how to optimize it. There are 7 ways to improve hotel maintenance management. First is hotel maintenance management software. Second is guarantee staff communication, improve scheduling and calendars, speed up failures resolution, streamlines housekeeping, track equipment, and stock control. There are 7 ways to improve maintenance management. Maintenance contract. A maintenance contract defined as the contract between two parties which creates the agreements that one party will maintain an asset owned by another party. Is common across many industries. Form of general contract. The 8 types of construction contracts includes the cost plus construction contracts, design and build contract, guaranteed maximum price contract, incentive construction contract, integrated project delivery contract, lump sum contracts, times and materials contracts, and unit price contracts. Importance of hotel maintenance. The role of a hotel's maintenance department is to ensure that all facilities and equipment are maintained in good condition and are functioning smoothly so as to reduce the risk of interruption to the running of the hotel. Perform cleaning activities such as dusting, mopping, etc. Perform minor fixes such as repairing broken locks, filling gaps on wall, etc. Check control panels and electrical wiring to identify issues. Install appliances and equipment. Do garden yards upkeep by mowing lawns, collecting trash, and etc.